नमस्कार. गोमंतक टीव्हीच्या साष्टीकार या कार्यावळीत तुमच्या येवकार. सध्या गोंयाक एक परिस्थिती आसा की ओपोजिशन जे फाटल्या लोकसभेच्या वेळार एकठांय येवन बीजेपीक टक्कर दिल्ली ते आम आदमी पार्टी आनी काँग्रेस हे दोन मुखेल पक्ष एकठांय आसात काय ना असो संदर्भ संभ्रम निर्माण जाता. कारण 2 दिसां पयलीं जी आमची प्रदेश काँग्रेस समितीची बैठक जाल्ली तातूंत भितर हो विशय आयिल्लो. काल परत आमचे साऊथ गोवा डिस्ट्रिक्ट कमिटीचे आयिल्ले तातूंतय भितर मेन म्हणटा बाणावली हो मतदारसंघ एक थंय केंद्रीत जाल्लो आसा. बाणावली कोणाक वचपाची, काँग्रेसीक वचपाची काय आपाक वचपाची. आनी हे सगळे फाटभुंयेचेर आज आमी एक चर्चा करपाक आसा की सद्याक महाराष्ट्राच्या फाटभुंयेचेर, महाराष्ट्राच्या निकालाच्या फाटभुंयेचेर ओपोजिशन एकठांय आसल्यारूच बीजेपीक टक्कर दिवपाक शकता असो एक हे जालें परसेप्शन जाल्लें आसतनाय बी अजुनूय हे ओपोजिशन जाग्यार आसा काय कितें, काय तांकां अजून दिसता की आपूण स्वताचेर प्रत्येक पार्टी स्वताचेर इलेक्शन लडोवपाक शकता. सो हाजेर आमी चर्चा करपाक हाजे भितर आपल्यात की आमचे राजकीय विशयाचेर विश्लेशक म्हणून तांची नामना आसा ते लेवफादबाब अल्मेदा. दोतोर एक हे सद्याक महाराष्ट्राचो जर आमी हे पळयलो रिजल्ट पळयलो विधानसभाचो ताजे पयलीं लोकसभेचे पळयलो. लोकसभेच्या हातूंत भितर बीजेपी सामकी सकयल आयिल्ली. ओपोजिशन म्हणल्यार आमची काँग्रेस आनी शिवसेना ते तांचे सामको तांचो ग्राफ वयर आयिल्लो. आनीक विधानसभेक जर पळयल्यार टोटल उरफाटें चित्र आहा. सो हे कशें
चोय थिंगा महाराष्ट्रांतल्यो गोष्टी वेगळीच आहाय. लायक वी वील फायंड दॅट लाडकी बहीण स्कीम ब्रॉट डॅम स्लायटली हाय अप.
ओके.
उद्धव ठाकरे काँग्रेस एनसीपी ते मी एक 3 महिने असेच काढले डिसायडींग द सीट अरेंजमेंट्स. ते 3 महिन्यात तो ते मी कॅम्पेनिंगा उजार केल्ले. मे बी इट वूड हॅव बीन बेटर.
ओके.
if they could agree on the CM face, it may have been still better.
Okay.
But on the other side also there was no CM face. So that was not a big issue. But in Maharashtra, what also happened is that the amount of money, the amount of management used by the ruling party was so high that these people could not match it, one.
Okay.
And number 2, even at national level elections and between the two groups, the vote share was almost the same.
Okay.
Now since the vote share was same, the opposition should have been more careful in strategizing the campaign.
Okay.
So that has not happened. So Muge Bashin, there was an alliance, there was a strong alliance. It could have been better.
Okay.
And looks like the Ladki Bahin scheme has put them forward. आणि ते जिखता आशिल्लेच अशें दिसता. पूण इतली मार्जिनान जिखता आशिल्ले. That is a factor. But on the other side there was an alliance.
Alliance आशिल्ले. पूण म्हजो प्रश्न आशिल्लो की ज्या स्पिरिटान जे अलायन्स पार्टनर एकठांय येवपाक जाय आशिल्ले
ते 3 महिने अशेंच झगडयले न्हू डिसायडींग द कोणाक खंयची सीट दिवपाची.
याद जातली की आमचे काँग्रेस आनी पर्रीकारान जेन्ना गोवा फॉरवर्डाक आनी हांकां MJP घेवन सरकार केलो ते काँग्रेसीचो असो आशिल्लो की CM कोण जावपाचो हाजेरूच तांगेले सगळे घुसून तितले म्हणल्यार थंय पर्रीकारा वचून सरकार केल्लो.
नो सी वॉट हॅपन्स इज इफ the central government is with you, then it is easy to form the government. Manohar Parrikar formed the government at that time because it was easy for him at that time.
Still, but हांच्या हाताक आशिल्लें म्हणटा हाताक आशिल्लें हांचे जर फकत लिडर डिसायड जाल्लो दे वूड हॅव फॉर्म द गव्हर्मेंट काँग्रेस.
येस होय आशिल्लें जाल्यार दे कुड हॅव फॉर्म द गव्हर्मेंट.
फकत काय लुईझीन जातलो काय दिगंबर जातलो काय जातलो.
That has been the Congress strategy for a long time now. You can't blame.
It is strategy or it's their weakness?
No, see, I will tell you, it is also their weakness and it is also strategy. कित्याक ते सांगता आतां ते म्हणटा उद्धव ठाकरे अनाउन्स केल्लो. Congress cadre may not have liked, they may not have worked. काँग्रेसीचो अनाउन्स केल्लो. उद्धव ठाकरे's cadre may not have worked. See, जे तरेन ते अलायन्स स्ट्रॉंग जावपाक जाय ते तरेन ते अलायन्स जावं ना.
तर इन आमचे कितें BJP इन शिवसेना शिंदे ग्रुप तांणी डिसायड करना कितें दॅट फॉर्मुला इज कोणाचे चड येतलो तो सीएम.
No, their alliance was so good. About 17 BJP leaders contested on Sena and Ajit Pawar's party. So तेंगे सामके बरे आशिल्ले. But that was possible for them also because they have a central government. And once you have a central government, you have all the forces with you. You have ED, IT, police, everything, CBI, everything is with you. So all these fellows fall in place.
ना हांव तुका कित्याक लागून हें विचारता. सेम आतां सिच्युएशन म्हणजे सेंट्रल गव्हर्मेंट BJPचोच आसा.
हय.
आतां गोंयांक ताका लागून विचारता तुका म्हणजे हांव मेन हें येवपाचें कारण गोंयांक आतां सद्याक काँग्रेस म्हणटा की आतां बाणावलेचो तुवें इशू जर घेतलो बाणावले ते म्हणटा लोकसभा आमकां इतली मेळ्ळ्यात वोट्स सो थंय आमचो कॅन्डिडेट आसपाक जाय. ऑलरेडी थंय आम आदमीचो आमदार आसा तरी काँग्रेस म्हणटा आपल्याक हय. सो अजुनूय म्हणटा महाराष्ट्रांत जाल्ल्यान अजुनूय ओपोजिशनान जाय तो लेसन घेवपाक घेवूं नाका.
सी म्हगे भशेन बाणावली वेली दे हॅव MLAs. No doubt about it. At the same time, these two constituencies are earlier Congress constituencies. And जी constituency tugel तर जायत, you should not give up. Because once you give up a constituency, it is very difficult to build thereafter.
Okay.
But at the same time, when you build a constituency, now since he is a sitting MLA, like Venzi is a sitting MLA, Velindi have a sitting MLA, at alliance talks, if it is decided that in this alliance, these two candidates must go to sitting MLAs, then the party must be in a position to withdraw those MLAs, withdraw those candidates of theirs. But I would say no party must stop building their party.
Okay.
So they have to build a party because आज समजा तू alliance जालना for whatever reason. Alliance जावपाकूच जाय because without alliance they will not be in a position to beat the formidable machine called the BJP. पण alliance जालना तर जायत.
But वेल्ली and हे कोणता आमचे बाणावली ते काय BJP वचना न्ही.
Correct, but it will affect other places.
Okay.
See, they have Santa Cruz. They have they have Santander. Now it will affect Patarda. So it will affect in other constituencies. So because of that, I would say every party like Goa Forward, they are building their party in Kankon, in Maye, in Pedne. They are building. So they should build in whichever constituencies they want. AAP must build their party in whichever constituency they want. Congress must build their party in all the constituencies. No problem with that. But at the time of election, they will have to come to an understanding who has a better chance of winning this constituency. And that time they should also have the capacity to withdraw that candidate. So that has to be the understanding. And the understanding has to be that we will put an alliance candidate. So if you go and build your party with that in mind, I don't think anything is problem.
सो दोतोर एक बाणावलेचेच म्हणून हे तूं म्हणटालो की बाणावली ही काँग्रेसीची पार्टी पूण एक जेन्ना ज्या वेळार आमचो कोण तो चर्चिल आल्या मावाक मिकी पाशेकोन डिफीट केलो ताज्या फाटल्यान अजुनूय थंय काँग्रेस केन्ना येवंक ना.
करेक्ट.
बाकीच्या
I am not saying that it is a Congress constituency because Congress party exists more because of the individuals. It comes alive at election time. You will find now tenge office bearers pade hai thank podi tu and look at the candidates that will come. So they will become a party at that time. So like Veli you will tell me Philip Neri has won. He has won on the UGDP also. He has, so like that Benjamin won as an independent. But I would still consider Veli as a constituency where Congress should build up. No problem with that. But at alliance time, if they decide that this goes to up, then that candidate must withdraw. But this alliance talks, now if all parties can even today build an alliance, saying that in these constituencies, we will build, these constituencies you will build. Like this also they can have an arrangement right now. Right now they can have. But the problem with that is, if you say that, say now take the case of Santa Cruz. Santa Cruz, where Amit Palekar, I think is trying, that's it. That's it. Now, what will happen if Congress does not build a party in Santa Cruz? If the alliance fails tomorrow, then will they not have a candidate? Or should they not put up a candidate? So these are things, according to me, parties must think about and build in the beginning itself, decide in the beginning itself. So no party must say we will not build.
No, building your party and the cadre base is not a problem.
Yes.
Only thing that no.
No, but Congress is not a cadre based party. There is no cadre. It's a mass party. Kon yeta, kon hoita, kon rauta, kon sutta. So like that, it is not a.
मुझे तोच हे आशिल्लो की आता पयर जे आमचे पयर पणजे जाले. आमचो माणिकराव ठाकरे असताना आणि निंबाळकर असताना ते थोडे जाण उठून गेले पार्टी सारखी चलना म्हणून मागीर ताणें कारणे कितें दिवं मागीर आपल्याक आनी प्रोग्राम आशिल्ले काल
सांगते आप आनी काँग्रेस एकठांय जावचे पयलीं काँग्रेसीन एकठांय जावपाक जाय सी दीज आर ग्रुप्स विदिन द पार्टी सो फर्स्ट द काँग्रेस मस्ट कम टुगेदर एंड दे मस्ट गिव a signal to the people that we are together. So if Congress is not together, there is a question of discussing alliance at all.
That's म्हणतो का being a big brother, Congress आपल्याचो रोल करपाक जाय तो करता काय म्हणून गोंयांत भितर.
See in Goa at this stage at least, I don't think Congress can play the role of a big brother at this stage. At this stage, because they have 4 MLAs with them. Then Vijay Sardesai is there, Viresh is there, and AAP has 2. So they have, in number terms, they have more, no doubt about it. But I think as a party, party functioning, they are quite poor. They are poor, but they should strengthen. But because they are poor,
because of this groupism, they are poor, or they?
Nah, see, ek sang maka. First time they lost 11. Now they lost 8. Now having lost 11, thereafter losing 8, they have depleted their strength. But muge bhashin that the functioning of an opposition, of a real fighting force, they are not doing that job. And nobody is doing that job. Like we don't find any demonstrations in taluka level on the jobscape. We do not find demonstrations on land conversions at taluka level. We find these activists doing this job rather than opposition doing their job. See, opposition must be a fighting opposition. They should have regular dharnas. They should have regular corner meetings. They should have regular demonstrations. There has to be padyatras. See, job scam is such a big scam. Land conversions is such a big issue. Now, these 2 issues, according to me, are enough for anybody to build on a opposition in Goa. Goa is a small state, and people are with these issues. Once people are with these issues, according to me, it is very easy to build opposition space.
But Congress सिलेक्टिवली हे करता म्हणजे एक लिडराच्या आयल्यार तांचो भितरलो एक लिडर आवाज काडटा दुसऱ्या आनी एक लिडराच्या दुसरो लिडर हे करता म्हळ्यार त्या लिडराच्या आयल्यार काँग्रेसी भितर हो लिडर आवाज काडना हो ओगी रावता आनी त्या लिडराच्या आयल्यार काँग्रेसीचो हो आवाज काडना हो आवाज काडटा.
that is happening with everybody. Goa is a small place. We have too many friends in too many parties. That is the issue. And personal relations seem to overpower their political relations.
Personal and also I believe economical.
तो ते economic मुळे हांव personal म्हणटा.
Okay, yeah. So दोतोर आतां जर हे सगळें जर पळयलें नाव ZP election येवपाचें आसा.
Yeah.
Last time Congress has decided that they should contest on their own in all constituencies. आणि लास्ट टायम इट वॉज अ पुअर शो. ओन्ली सावथाक 2 आयल्या, नॉर्थाक 1 आयलो. त्या हाजे परस आपान तरी आपल्याला एक अकाउंट ओपन केलो. सो आतां परत काँग्रेस म्हणटा की आमी सगळे हे करपाक जाय, कॉन्टेस्ट करपाक जाय. इज इट अ वायज स्टेप ऑर?
सी ZP इलेक्शन, Panchayat election are elections at a grassroots level.
Yeah.
They keep the cadre charged. So हांव तरी म्हणना कोणेय इलेक्शन कॉन्टेस्ट करप न्ही म्हण. बट at the same time while contesting they can have a understanding with various alliance partners on how to maximize gains. But at the same time, if people want to contest, according to me, they should permit contest. But they should possibly decide how to maximize gains, because कित जाता, you lose all the elections. एक variance तयार जाता that they have lost all the elections, and that too maybe in 2025. I don't know when the elections will be. If in 2025, then 2027 is near. Then will come the municipal elections. So एक वारी तयार जाता. So that this does not happen, according to me, they should have some understanding how that they should sit down and decide if they want to beat, if they want to beat the BJP at the election time. I am talking of 2027.
सो सद्याक जर आमी जर पळयलें, आतां आमची चर्चा थांबयता आसतना एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन की सद्याक ओपोजिशनान कशें आतां काम करपाक जाय. कारण तूं म्हणटा तशें BJP इज अ सामकी सगळी विथ आर्मी आशिल्ली.
BJP is a strong election machinery. They have lot of funds. They are in power at the center. They control all institutions. Keeping that in mind, opposition parties, whether it is AAP, Congress, Goa Forward, and even RG, according to me, must come together if they want to beat BJP. If they do not want to beat BJP, then it is up to them. One. Number two, it may also happen that we do not want to beat BJP. We only want to increase our party strength. अशी तर एक view घेतलं जाय. Then if you only want to increase your party strength, if you only want to build your party, but you don't have the intention of defeating the BJP, then you can continue to build your party. It will be very difficult, and it will be more difficult.
आनीक हे की सद्याक ह्यो आमचे पयर कुडचड्याचेर एक तो हो जालो, टी राजा येवन ताजें भाशण जालें, हें जालें, तें जालें. सो दीस इज ओन्ली बिकॉज ऑफ तो आमचे हिंदू वोट्स आसा तांकां आनीक पोलरायज करपाचें.
करेक्ट.
So
according to me, when Raja came, it was the responsibility of all opposition parties to raise their voice against such meetings. See, Mutalik pad yeta तेन्ना ताजेर ban घातलो. According to me, same ban should have been on Raja. One. पण कोणेच ते इशू मुखार काडलोच ना. कोणेच मुखार काडलो ना.
म्हाका तकलीफ येवना दिसता म्हाका गिरीश सोडलेल्यार.
करेक्ट. But Girish also came at the last minute, at the fag end. But तो पयलोच जावपा जाय आशिल्लो.
तुगेलो आतां म्हाका लास्ट एक कॉमेंट सांग. ओपोजिशन हांकां खरेंच हे आपले कितें फुडले आमची इलेक्शन गेम लडपाक जाय काय दे आर जस्ट फॉर अ नेम सेक आसा?
ना, इफ दे वॉन्ट टू सर्वाइव and they want to beat the ruling party, they have no option but to come together. I am saying AAP, Congress, Goa Forward and RG also. But so RG के कितें आहा ते म्हणटाय we want to build our party. We do not want your unity. So if you have stands like this, then it is not possible.
So when they should start?
They should have started yesterday. And if they have not started yesterday, they should start today only. And according to me, it has to be a continuous process. Addressing press conferences and addressing few meetings here and there is not going to work. They have to be on the street. On the street. There has to be demonstrations. There has to be corner meetings. There has to be morchas. The leader of opposition, according to me, and other people must have a continuous padyatras. Continuous.
असा दिसता तुका?
See, हांव एक सांग तुका, तो father of Jagan Reddy, कोण तो YS Rajshekar Reddy, they had lost badly when before he became the chief minister. he continued his Padyatra for almost 5 years and came to power and became the darling of the masses. So his Padyatra made him the darling suddenly. So he had the will to fight. If you have the will to fight, then you have to fight.
So आता आमच्या ओपोजिशनान आपले पुल अप द सॉक्स म्हणटा तशें करून दे हॅव टू बी ऑन.
Yes.
सो ह्याच हाजेर आमी ही चर्चा थांबयतात. आनी दोतोरान जें कितें सांगलां तें तुमकां दिसता तें म्हजे कोतान तुमच्याय कोतान आसतलें की सगळे गोंयच्या लोकांची मागणी आसा. कारण जो मेरेन ओपोजिशन स्ट्रॉंग ना तो पर्यंत सरकार सारकें जालां. कितले आसा तांचे कडेन 30 आसात, तांचे कडेन 32 आसात, तांचे कडेन 8 आसात. अशें जरी आसलें तरी 8 जाण बसून आवाज करपाक शकतात. हे जर दाखोवन दिलें आनी बाकीच्या पक्षांनी जर एकठांय येवन जर आवाज केलो जाल्यार लोकांचो विश्वास जिखपाक शकतात. आनी हे तर आमचे साऊथ गोवा रिजल्टान दाखोवन दिल्लें आसा.
See, South Goa result was a result of the entire community coming together. The parties came together. How much they contributed, I do not know. But it was the people who came together. And people came together also because there was a chance of winning. People saw a chance to defeat BJP. If the people don't see the chance of defeating BJP, why should they vote when you are not together?
So तेच म्हणटा होच हाजेर हे की असो माहोल.
Yes, correct. असो माहोल जावपाक जाय that we can defeat them.
सो म्हाका दिसता हे आमची जेन्ना चर्चा चालू आसा ते सगळे पॉलिटिकल पार्टीचे लोक पळयता आसतले. सो ह्या हातूंतल्यान अशें कितें तरी चॅनलायज जावचें. आनीक गोंयकाराक सद्याक दिसता की गोंयकाराक सगळेच गोंयकार सद्याच्या सरकाराचेर खुश आसात अशें ना. पूण तूं म्हणटा तांकां पर्याय ना.
No, according to me, people are wanting a change. And the change is because of two main issues, the land issue and the job issue. And corruption at a very high level in all spheres. So according to me, people's feelings must be given vent by the opposition.
सो ह्याच हाजेर आमी चर्चा थांबयतात. एक म्हणटा ते की ओपोजिशनान सद्याक एकठांय येवन लढपाक जाय. तुमी तुमचे सगळे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीक स्ट्रेंथ वाडयात काय ना. पूण तो स्ट्रेंथ वाडिल्लो स्ट्रेंथ डिवायड जावन मागीर BJPक फायदो जावपाक जायना. इतले तरी पळयात. इतलेच आमी म्हणटात. आनीक ही चर्चा थांबयतात. दोतोर देव बरें करूं.
Always a pleasure.
आनी सगळे आमचे जे पळोवपी आसात तांकां देव बरें करूं. पळयत रावात गोमंतक TV.